Hello, this is Wesley Clark with Byzantium Wealth Management. I wanted to take the opportunity to share with you a financial planning pyramid diagram that I've created based upon my 30 years of advisory experience, what I've learned in my experiences, and what I would want to relay to somebody that's just getting involved in figuring out how do I handle my financial matters. I wish I would have had some information like this when I first started, but it wasn't available. And with all the stuff that you're getting from social media and everybody else, you think about you probably should shoot for the moon. And what I'm saying, no, let's get back to the basics. Let's start from the foundational level and work our way up. First, you'll see down here, and I'm just going to talk about the framework today. But if you have any interest, which I encourage you to do, we'll go over these other components of this financial planning pyramid diagram. But you'll see on the foundation here, emergency funds and life insurance and being debt-free and wills and trusts. That's the foundational level. That's what I call the pre-investment checklist. It's part of risk management. We got to manage our risk before we even venture forth into the investment arena. What you'll see on this diagram at the top is speculation, highly aggressive, ready to invest, and it's kind of like it's upside down. And that's not the way it should be. I would recommend you, highly recommend that you not do that. I've seen too many stories where somebody betted on the market, so to speak, and lost everything, and made some choices that afterwards were not so wise. So, having said that, what you need to do is focus on the foundation, which we'll talk about in succeeding videos. Then we'll venture forth into the 401k plan, then venturing into savings. That savings would be above and beyond what you would have for your emergency fund. Then we'll talk about what type of investments, growth and income, and then speculation. I really encourage you to follow and continue to watch these videos. It's very basic, yes, but it's very thorough. And if you are just starting out as a young man or woman, if you're just starting out as a young married couple without children, if you're just starting out, maybe you're not even just starting out, you're married and you got some kids and your financial act is not together where you want it to be. I encourage you to listen, and hopefully, I believe that you'll harvest some really good information here. Have a great day.